People always ask what is the secret behind very fast spiritual progress. Let me share a Sufi story that I read long ago. There was this disciple of a guru who wants to go and meet his guru, and on his way, he is forced to go through a desert like place. As he crosses the desert area, he runs out of water that he has, which he had brought with him, and he starts getting thirsty. And as he walks and walks and walks, with all that love that he has for his guru, he wants to go and meet him. And as he walks, finally his thirst really becomes too much. He is almost on the verge of swooning, and then he is literally crawling. And as he starts crawling, and he is less than about 500 meters away from the feet of his guru, the place where the guru lives, a person comes and offers him, because he is almost on the verge of collapse. He feels that he will not even make that last 500 meters. As he is about to collapse and sort of die, there is a passerby who comes nearby him, and he says, I have water, I want to give you. And in his urge to live, he quickly puts his hands out, takes the water that the passerby gives, and as he drinks the water, he collapses and dies. So the passerby is shocked. Instead of saving this person's life, I have landed up killing him. He becomes guilty. And then he senses that this person has come to meet a guru who is living nearby. So he walks to the place of the guru and then tells him what has happened. And the guru smiles and says, yes, I am aware what has happened. He says, please tell me, why did this happen? He is the most trusted disciple, as I hear of you. And why did he die? He said, when he went through whatever he went through in the desert, I was there protecting him. And less than 500 meters before he was supposed to meet me, he turned his dependency away from me and he took water, what you offered, forgetting that I am there protecting him. And that cost his life. A very apparently a sad story, but with a very big truth for all those who seek the spiritual path, the highest goal. The biggest secret in spirituality is complete dependency on your master as you grow in the spiritual path. Higher the path, more the dependency. In the lower levels of spiritual reach, assuming you are in the Pind Pradesh or heart region, there is always this duality which plays its part. The gurus are more, in a way, nature gurus are more tolerant. As you grow out of Pind Pradesh and move into Brahmanda Mandal, Parabrahmanda Mandal, Prapanna Prabhu, by which state you have really reached what is called as the godly state, where the dependency on the guru is almost non-negotiable. In the sense, even the thought, if you maintain that I can do something on my own without having to depend on my guru, it's almost done. Imagine the writings where Babaji Maharaj says very clearly, even to drink a drop of water, he had to wait for permission from Lalaji Maharaj. Such was his unquestionable dependency on his master, which made him as what he was. If we depend on the Guru unquestionably, without thinking, without using our logical brain, using only our heart, knowing that what you need at the time you need, material, spiritual. Once I remember reading in one of the literature, I inferred that though apparently this is a spiritual path, once you progress beyond a point, The dependency on the master is for everything in your life. It's not that every time you write a mail, so make a phone call or send a SMS, or it's not like that. There is this unspoken dependency where for every second you are guided from within. A very simple exercise: before you do anything, before you want anything, just ask the master inside of yourself. Connect heartfully. The key is to develop constant remembrance and connect heartfully. Be in a meditative state. And then close your eyes and ask him, what is the way out of this? The answer will come. The moment you take over, he leaves your hand in one way or another. The real key, as you progress further and further, for speedier progress, for guaranteed progress, is absolute, unquestioned dependency on the master. Isn't it worth thinking about and feeling about? Thank you.